I'm still planting bulbs in January when it's usually so awful, but I'm thrilled to be planting 32 hyacinths and my beloved stinking garlic. It's amazing. Can you smell the magic? Can you smell the magic? There's turnip greens to harvest. There's kale to eat. Oh. There's endive to pick. This is magical, don't you see? It's magical. Yodelay-hee-hoo. You can do it too if the ground's not frozen. Plant some tulips, daffodils, crocus bulbs, garlic bulbs for your longest garden season ever. I'm picking horseradish. Horseradish, where the ground is usually hard as a rock. It's fresh, it's spicy. It'll put hair on your head. It will put hair on your head. Oh, I hope. Oh, spicy root, make me whole again. Make me whole again. Well, what did you think of In the Garden, the musical? It's my first foray into musical theater. I wanted to show you this. We planted this thinking it would sprout sometime in the spring, but check this out. In this cold frame, that thing is already sprouted. So we're gonna leave it in here and see how it does. It's just amazing and fun. Next up, take a look at another plant that I just put in the ground. Well, here's another plant that I just put in the ground. This is Helleborus niger, and in the front there is one that's 20 years old, and look at those beautiful pink buds. This was actually a indoor Christmas plant sold at a nursery, and I know it's a great perennial. I can't stand for it to go inside and have someone just throw it away. Got a couple at the end of the season. I did the same thing last year, and right after I planted them, it went to like 3 degrees. These, I think, are going to catch on, and once they do, they'll come back year after year and start blooming in November. All right, let's keep working. For our last job of the day, one thing I love to do during the winter is look around and see if plants are getting crowded. This rhododendron is coming back really nice, but these trees, trash trees, are going to stop it from growing when we get into the season. These get bigger. So I'm going around the garden, seeing where this has happened, and cutting out some of these unwanted plants. Here's one more, this hemlock. I really never noticed it here in the forest, but I prefer it over this, whatever this trash tree is. So this has got to go. All right, I'm going to take a couple other trees out around it, and then we're going to finish up. I always use a good pruning saw. Makes a big difference when they're sharp. That's one. This mild start to winter has allowed us to still garden even in January, which is wonderful. Now, check me out online. That's where you can find out who my singing coach is and find out lots of other great gardening information. Until next week, there's lots of plants up there are crowded, and I'm going to take care of them. We'll see you then. I'm planting bulbs. I'm still planting bulbs. Just planting. I gotta have my script up too. In January, when it's usually so awful. Kale to eat. Ugh. There's kale to eat. Oh. Yodel-o-hee-hee. Yodel-o-hee-hi. Yodel-o-hee-hoo. Wait. Yodel-o-hee-hoo. You can do it too if you... Yodel-a-hee-hoo. I'm picking horseradish. Yes, horseradish, where the ground is usually solid as a rock. It's spicy fresh. It will grow hair on your head. It will grow hair on your head. Oh, I hope. Make me whole again, spicy root. Yodel-a-hee-hoo.